Hey guys, Gary Wagner here, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo. With all this craziness that's going on right now, we're all having to shift and find out new ways to communicate with our customers and clients. And Zoom is the way that a lot of people are doing that. It's an easy platform to learn, but a lot of people still don't understand it completely or don't know all the nuances and the tricks about it, and especially the security side of things. So you have to be cautious about the way you utilize Zoom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a free webinar on Wednesday, April 8th at 2 p.m. Arizona time. That's Pacific time for those of you that don't know what Arizona time is. Free webinar giving you some of the tips on how to use Zoom. It shouldn't be very long, 30 minutes or so. We should probably cover everything you need to know, but it will get you up to speed on how you can use Zoom now and in the future to keep in touch with your clients and your customers. So join me on the webinar. That's Wednesday, April 8th, 2 p.m. And if you're interested and want to register before that, you can also go to my website at ninjamarketingdojo.com. There'll be a link on the homepage to register there. Hope to see you on the webinar.